Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Majboos Diyay. I have taken here half kg of chicken. To that add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 dried lemon or black lemon cut into pieces. 1 tablespoon crushed ginger garlic. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala and cumin powder each. And 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and turmeric powder too. Mix well. Marinating in an earthenware pot helps to absorb lemon flavors well and gives a special flavor too. Majboos Diyay is a Khaliji dish. It came from Middle East. Now chicken is ready to marinate it for an hour. After an hour, place the marinated chicken in a pressure cooker and add some water. Turn off the stove before whistle. For majboos, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. To that, add some spices. I have taken 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 5 cloves, 10 black peppercorns, and 5 cardamoms. I recommend peeling off cardamom. To that, add 1 chopped onion. Add some salt to taste and salt well. Majboos means mixture of rice and spices and diyay means chicken. Add some green chilies and 2 chopped tomatoes. Now salt them well. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and salt them again for a minute. Meanwhile, let's fry the chicken. We are going to fry the chicken which is nearly 75% cooked. Now transfer the chicken from the pressure cooker to the frying pan. Now we are getting into the last step of making majboos. For that, to the chicken stock add our salted onion mixture. To that add 4 cups of hot water. Add 1 black lemon or dried lemon. Also add half teaspoon turmeric and mix well. Add 2 cups of basmati rice. I always recommend soaking basmati rice for 30 minutes. Now mix well. Turn off the stove when it's nearly a whistle. For frying the chicken, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cover the lid and fry it for 5 minutes. Now flip over the chicken pieces. Cover the lid and fry it for 5 minutes. Now our chicken fry is ready. Serve the rice with chicken fry. Our super delicious chicken diyay is ready.